Hello, this is How To Not To, and today I'm going to show you how to sign up with Amazon Associate Program, and it's also called Affiliate Program as well. They're both the same meaning. It's completely free. It doesn't cost anything to sign up with them, and you could earn extra money by promoting other products on Amazon from your website or from a YouTube channel. So to sign in, you need to go into the Amazon website and scroll all the way down the page, and in the Make Money With Us list, click on Associates Program. So what you want to do is click on the Join Now for Free button at the top there, and this will take you to the sign in page. If you don't have an account with Amazon, you can create one, and I'm going to show you how to do that now. So what you need to do, first of all, click in the grey button below. So here you just need to complete your name, email address, and give it a password. I already have an account with Amazon, but I'm just going to create another account for an example for this video. So just put in a name and email address in there, and I'm just going to put a password as well. Once you've done that, it will now ask you to verify your email address by sending you a code. So I'm just going to sign into my email address to get the code, and I'm going to copy that number there, the code number, and I'm going to paste it into the Amazon verification box in there. I'm now going to click verify, and that's it. I'm now logged into my Amazon account, as you can see there. Okay, we're now ready to join the Amazon Affiliates Program. And to do that, again, you need to scroll down the bottom of the page and click on the Associate Program. Or you can, there's another way you can get into it. You can go into Google, and in the search bit here, just type Associate Sign In, and that should take you directly to the sign in page. Okay, so that brings up this page here. And I'm just going to click that to join now. And now we can create an associate affiliate account to make money. So I'm going to show you step by step how to do that. So what you need to do now is you need to complete this page with your personal details and address where you're currently living. So you need to complete a legitimate address and also put in your telephone number there. So I'm just going to complete my details, and I'll be right back. Okay, it will now ask you to add a website. If you don't have a website, don't worry. You can use your YouTube channel, which I'm going to do now. So log into your YouTube channel and copy the URL link along there. And just paste it in there and click add and next. It's asking here, what is your preferred associate's ID? Type products in there. I think that should be okay. As my YouTube channel is about products, etc., I'm just going to type products in there. I think that should be okay. And it asks what your website's about. You just need to give a brief description of what your channel or website is about in that box there. So you don't have to go into much detail, just briefly describe what kind of channel you've got. My channel is about reviewing products, so I'm just going to enter that in there. So now you have to select from the drop down list which topic best describes your channel. And mine would be computers and technology, and you can select another topic if you wish. So the second topic, which best describes my channel, is the one here, general merchandise. So it's just that one there. I'm going to select that. Next, it's asking me what type of Amazon items do you intend to list on your website. I'm going to tick electronics, and I'm also going to click on DIY tools, because I do a bit of that as well on my channel. My channel is about how to do things, how to fix things, and also do unboxing and review products. So a bit of this and that. And you do the same thing, just select what best describes your channel or website. So here, just choose the items that are associated with your channel. It's now asking you about how do you drive traffic to your website. I'm going to choose social network and SEO. And how do you utilize your website to generate income? I'm going to pick contextual advertising, example through Google AdSense. Okay, how do you usually build links? And we'll come back to that. How many total unique visitors does your website get per month? Between 50,000 and 500,000. So I'm going to click on that. If your channel's less or more, you just click what you get per month. Okay, what is your primary reason for joining Amazon Associates? To monetize my site. And how did you hear about us? I'm going to select online search. So now you want to type in these characters. Just type that in there. And I'm going to click on this to confirm the terms and conditions. I'm going to click next. Oh, it's not allowing me to go any further, and that's because I forgot to select this. How do you usually build links? I'm just going to select other for now. Okay, congrats. How to, not to. So once I've generated 3 sales, I will start earning money. And I also have an associate ID on the right there. Yeah, so you can also select other countries depending on where you live. So I'm getting this message here. You can also sign up with the EU associates, or if you live somewhere else, then other countries will probably come up. I'm going to do that later. So the next step after that is to enter your payment and tax information. So click now and it asks you how you want to be paid. Well, I prefer directly into my account rather than having gift vouchers, etc. And I'm now going to complete my bank details. And once I've done that, I'll be right back. Okay, I've done that. That's all done. So the payment details have been updated successfully, and that's it. I'm now all set up with the Amazon Associate Program. Now I'm going to show you how to link products from the website or YouTube channel to Amazon. So if you scroll down to search and create links, what you need to do is, so for example, I did a video not long ago about Kindle ebooks. So I'm going to type in Kindle in there and click search. Amazon will list products associated with the Kindle. So I'm going to select this particular Kindle as I did a review on it on my YouTube channel. And I'm going to click on the drop down arrow. Click on shorten the URL because that's a bit too long. It looks a bit messy. So I'm going to click on the shorten the URL. Highlight the link copy and I'm going to paste the link in my video in the description box. So basically if anyone's watching your video and clicks on the link, it will direct them to the Amazon product. And if they purchase the product, Amazon will pay you a commission for every product bought. Even if they don't buy that product, if they buy anything on Amazon within a 24-hour period, you'll get a commission on that, as the link will be unique to you. So this is a really good way to make money if you review products, etc. It's best to start out with products you may already own. So for example, if you had a good pair of headphones that you like and it's available on Amazon, so you could do a video on that particular product on YouTube and link the product in the description box. I would recommend owning the product so you can do a proper review on it, and your audience can also see it for real, so they can see it live and see how it operates, etc. For example, in this video I'm showing you the product and also showing you how it works. So this product is available on Amazon, and if you look here, so if you go into Amazon and it's selling for £119.70, it's the pneumatic NVR 200 model. So if you go into your Amazon Associates, there's a product category with a list of rates. So For major appliances, you get 3%. But I think the vacuum will fall under home improvements. I'm not really sure. But say if it did, the rate will be 5%. Off the £119.70. So to work that out, it's £119.70 times 5% divided by 100. So you'll get about £5.95 in profit for every one sold. Not bad, is it? Not bad at all. Okay, so I'm going to find this Hoover in the search box in Amazon Associates, and I'm going to grab the link and paste it into the description box. So that's it. That's how you earn commission with Amazon, by doing it like that. There's other ways. I'm just going to keep this simple for now. So someone clicks on the link, the cookie tracking lasts 24 hours. So if they buy anything within 24 hours, you literally get the commission. Okay, thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this helped you in any way. If you leave a comment, that'd be great. And
this has been How To Not To, signing off. Bye for now.